Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is obviously a makeup look because I'm starting it without makeup on, but I am going to be doing it with a whole bunch of makeup that was sent to me through PR and just gifting. Very excited. Also, I haven't been wearing my extensions lately and I'm like vibing my own hair, which is big because you guys always see me wearing extensions. Anyways, let's get started. Whenever I tuck my hair behind my ears, it looks like my hair is so much darker because like the blonde pieces are gone. So this is not like a first impressions of this makeup because I have been using it for a while because my intention was to film it as like a first impression try on, see how it is. But last week was a crazy week and Olive was just totally, you know, out of form. You can see my latest vlog if you want to know what I'm talking about. But I have been using this makeup now for a little bit and I can kind of tell you more of my opinions on it since I've been using it. Starting off is this Givenchy, super fancy, Power Fabric High Coverage Foundation Balm. I have used the liquid version of it. They also sent the liquid version, but I've used it in the past. Absolutely love it as a liquid foundation, but a balm foundation. Never heard of that. I've heard of a cushion foundation, cream, but balm. So it comes with that same kind of little cushiony thing that a cushion foundation comes with. This just looks, I guess, like a balm, like a hard foundation, which normally I thought was more suited towards mature skin. It is honestly my go-to at the moment. I have the shade 3.5. Also, it's not Givenchy, it's Giorgio Armani. First mistake of the video. Anyways, I'm gonna just pat it on my skin. It is full coverage, so a little bit goes a long way. You can use this with a beauty blender, a brush if you want. I don't know if I would love it with a brush just because the product itself is like super flat. I feel like you need some kind of sponge to apply it. I'm just buffing this into my skin, making sure mostly like my skin tone is all even. If I have any blemishes, I can go over that area and like spot conceal, but I don't really care about giving my entire face like a really caked look. I just want it to be even in skin tone. From doing just that side, you can tell just gives a really beautiful coverage. That is my base done. Oh, I hate when foundation goes on my lips. One of my pet peeves is watching a makeup tutorial and seeing the foundation on the lips literally until the last moment when they put a lip product on. Anybody else like that? I don't know why it annoys me, but it does. Concealer is by the same brand, Giorgio Armani, and I have it in the shade 3 as well. It's the Power Fabric one. I believe it's new. I don't know, it might not be. I'm not an avid Giorgio Armani makeup user. It's quite expensive, but it is a gorgeous concealer for under the eyes. I wouldn't use this to spot conceal. It is a little bit lighter in consistency and obviously color. It's not the same shade as my skin tone, but it is great for lightening under the eyes and it gives the perfect amount of coverage. I don't like it too heavy under my eyes with concealer, so this consistency really works for me. Now I need to set this in place because like I mentioned before, I do have oily skin and if I didn't, it does get oily fast. So this just kind of eliminates that process. Beach powder from Nars is great, adds the tiniest bit more coverage, nothing dramatic, but it just really, you know, keeps any foundation in place and I don't get oily that fast with it. Bronzer is Anastasia Saddle. I've been using this for a while. Cult Beauty sent it to me and I really like it. You definitely need a little bit more color, so I'm a little bit on the pale side to be wearing this, but we'll just really buff it out. Now for blush, I am very, very into this product. You guys know I love a creamy blush, something that just literally I can put all over my face. I'm obsessed with blush, you already know it. This is from Bobbi Brown. It is a cheek palette and it comes with an extra oil. I'll show you rather than just talk about it. But it has a little bit of oil there if you have really dry skin. You can put it on first. I definitely don't need that part of this. But these are both cream products. So one is obviously blush and then the other one's like a super dewy highlighter. You're not gonna get a lot of like sheen and shimmer like Instagram cheeks, but you're just gonna get this like healthy, juicy glow from it. It is gorgeous. It's in the shade Golden Pink and Uber Beige. Uber Beige, love that name. So I'm just gonna use my fingers and go into Uber Beige and I'm just going to work that into my cheeks. It is such a gorgeous finish, consistency, color. Oh, A+ for me. And you guys know I'm a blush freak. kind of like just adds to, I know it looks crazy on camera, in real life it looks a lot more natural, but it kind of adds to your contour. So if you're not really into blush, this color you would be really into, I think. Now I'm gonna go into the cream highlighter. The way it just like hits the light. Am I hitting the light? Can I like reflect it? Am I getting it? Really gorgeous. I think I'm gonna leave it there for face. I do have this palette that I might go to at the end. We'll see. I'm gonna move on to eyes. I was sent this in a little PR pack from Victoria Square, which is a local shopping center here in Belfast, Northern Ireland. And this is from MAC. I don't know if it's new or not, but it's new to me. And it's the MAC Art Library Nude Model. Totally up my alley. Love all these colors. Take this shade right here and put it in my crease, kind of like all over my lid actually. I'm gonna use it as an all over color. I think I might take a little bit of that darker shade and keep it right at my lash line just to accentuate a fuller lash because they're very sparse. And then lastly, I'm dipping into the right color. This is like a nice sandy sheen color. I'm gonna pop it in the inner corner here just for a little bit of, you know, pop whenever I blink. Nice and neutral. You can count on me for a nice simple look. I'm gonna move on to eyeliner. This is from Topshop actually. It's a Topshop Beauty, I think it's their own brand, waterproof eyeliner pencil in Treasured. It's a nice bronzy brown sheen shade. I'm gonna put it at the outer corner of my eyes and lightly flick it out. Staying with Topshop, they also sent a mascara and I actually really like it. Lisa, if you're watching this, I know you do my lashes and you tell me not to wear mascara, but I need something on my lashes. Take it off before today's appointment. I'm just gonna wiggle it in from the root up. I'll give like a nice fluffy effect to it, but like the brush itself, I'm a big fan of. I'm not gonna put it all the way to the ends of my lashes because I still have quite a few false ones on, so I just want it on my natural lash halfway up. Like really subtle if you can tell. I know it's nothing new from me, it's pretty basic, but the products are really, really good. I'm really happy with them. All right, I know you're thinking, what's new here, Elanna? This is all looking the same. Surprise. You're welcome. It is Dragongirl from Nars. It is a gorgeous pinky red shade, I want to say. Maybe it's purple red. Ooh, I don't remember. We're just gonna put it on. Pinky red. It's pinky red. That's poppin', especially on the viewfinder. I'm gonna turn down the brightness because I feel like I'm not giving the true shade of what I look like at the moment. Is that a little bit better? Is that a little bit better? Kind of. Love this. Is this also, yeah, Dragongirl, what is this called? Lip tint. Let's just put it on top. That could have been on my teeth. Like I mentioned, I wanted to maybe use this palette. It's the Nars Exposed Cheek palette. Gorgeous shades, hey? I'm not too sure which one I would use. Also, I don't know what brush to use with it because I tried like a normal synthetic brush and it didn't pick it up, so maybe I need a natural fiber one. I don't know. I think I might go into this blush. I know it looks intense. Ooh, maybe it is intense. Maybe this middle one. I'm gonna use my fingers and just pop it on the apple of my cheek just to kind of bring out more of a pinky hue to my cheeks rather than uber beige because the lipstick has a pink undertone in it, so I want it to kind of all come together. Also a little bit on here. Really like this lip color. It's really pretty and also really perfect for like spring summer if you're doing a simple everywhere else look, which kind of happened. I hope you guys enjoyed and saw some new products that maybe you were eyeing up in action. That Giorgio Armani, I know it's probably so expensive, so it's maybe unrealistic, but if you have a birthday coming up, if you do Easter presents, I don't know, definitely put it on the wish list. It is really nice and I've been using it for 2 weeks and it's like the only thing I'm grabbing, especially with having a baby. It's so easy to just like pop on, and you can also keep it in your handbag. Super essential. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads, and I hope you all have a wonderful day and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.